My beautiful subscribers, I hope you are well. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. This is just a quick video. I've got an order to go out today. I'm packing your lovely orders right now. I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, where you'll find ready-made jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, and I do cater for the beginner jewellery maker. I've got this necklace to go out and I thought I'd jump on. Gone ahead and already attached the lobster clasp and the jump ring. So if you have placed an order, thank you so much. I will get them all out today. So before I actually thought about doing a video, I did go ahead and put a lobster clasp and a jump ring onto this chain. The chain is, this is 17.5 inches because obviously you have to allow for the length of the lobster clasp, and I have got a jump ring to go on this end. So I'm just using 6mm silver plated. I must remember to do everything here, otherwise I'll be out of the camera. I do have a tutorial planned that I'm going to have to do this evening because of time. As you can see, I've got some beautiful cat charms. These are adorable. So these are going to be a new make that I will be putting on the website. I absolutely love cats, and I know my bestie will be watching this video. Angela, look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Aren't they beautiful? So that's later. So what have I got? This is just some packaging, and I'm going to be making, I'm just going to hold it up to the light. I'm going to be making this is an luminous pendant necklace. Here is the point. You may see, I've just held it under the light, but they glow very well. So that's the point pendant. So we need 2 pairs of pliers. I'm going to open this jump ring. If you're new to jewellery making, all jump rings have a split at the top. I do have a video all about jump rings. I'll link above for you. Now, before I put that through, I do need to put it through the pendant. It will not fit with the jump ring on there already. So let's pick that back up. It's great being able to make your own chains, because sometimes you don't want an 18-inch. You want that, just that little bit, that little half an inch is needed. And obviously if someone wants a very, very long chain, I think I go up to 32 inches. I think I go up to 32 inches on my necklace chains. But let's just say you want a 40-inch necklace chain. So we've threaded that through. We've got our pendant on. So I'm now going to close the jump ring. Make sure there are no gaps, otherwise your customer will lose their necklace and will not be happy. Something I should have said beforehand, obviously I did this off camera, is make sure your lobster clasp opens and closes. I've done it before without checking and then realised it doesn't, and you have to take it all apart. So there's our necklace. How do I pack this? So just for effect, I'm going to put it on a black jewellery card. There we go. I place it into a clear self-seal bag. Being plated jewellery, it can tarnish. So I always say make sure you put your jewellery back in. I never said who I'm making this for. This is for Francesca. So Francesca, thank you so much for your order. We really appreciate it. So I'm just going to fold the back down. got a little sticker on the back. This I'm just going to put into an organza bag. I've got some lovely organza mixed colour bags coming, so there will be more choice for you and for me. There we have, so there's that one. I then pop that into a pink striped paper bag. Before I seal that, I just put a couple of stickers in. They're just random stickers. There's a lollipop, there's a heart. Just put those in. Just as a little thank you. Your sticker. If it's a repeat customer, I've got special stickers saying, oh my god, repeat customers are the best, thanks for being an awesome one. Let me pop it into there. Gorgeous cats. Right, so it's in there. I'm just going to put the order in the back. That's now ready for postage. So I think I've got, what's the time now? It's 2:20. I've got I've got 3 more orders to get ready, and then I'll be going off to the post office. And then after dinner tonight, hopefully I can make this tutorial. Hopefully I can get this tutorial made for you. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have got hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.